All right, guys, I want to talk about the correct way to put these metcons into Wodify. I'm sorry, the strength piece into Wodify. So look, basically how it's written is I got cleans 5x3 building, tempo clean, position clean, 1, and then clean from position 2. The reason that this is wrong is because it's 3 different movements. And even though I'm doing the same weight for each movement, they each have their individual stance. So for example, 3 months from now, if I just wanted to see what my weight was for position 1 power clean, just position 1, literally just that one, it needs its own weight. I need to be able to go look at the data to see what I can clean on position 1. If I want to see what I get on a 5-second pull with a power clean or a tempo power clean 5-second pull, I need to be able to look. The way this is written is when I try to score this, when I click on the weight, it doesn't separate any of the 3. It's like it's not even assigned to the correct point. It's completely wrong and it's inaccurate for our clients. Here's how you fix this. First thing you're gonna do is I actually delete out of it. I was kind of playing with it. Delete. Okay, so actually, it's here. It's completely wrong. Let's fix it. I'm gonna look for the component. I'm gonna go position 1. I actually have it in here. Position 1 hang power clean from the hip. That is actually that's a hang power clean, position 1. Yes, I'm actually going to click that and it popped this in the box for me. I'm doing that clean for what? I'm going 5 sets of 3. So it's really like 5 sets of 1. It's 1 rep. You got 5 sets of 1 rep. Weight scheme is 5x3. I'm sorry, 5x1. And I'm going to save that. Voila. I'm going to move it up to the top. Right? Now, the first one is actually the tempo clean. So we actually got to create a custom component. We're going to go, I'm going to go new weightlifting. And I'm going to title this thing. It actually won't let me copy and paste. I'm just going to copy and paste it from over here. Or I can go in a Stormbreaker and do it. Tempo power clean, 5-second pull. Then I'll come down here. Five-second pull. Got that closed off. I'm going 5x1. Rep scheme is 5x1. And I'm going to go ahead and save it. Tempo clean, 5-second pull. Move to the top. There you go. 5-second pull. And in the order of that, obviously, is the tempo pull to position 1. So I have my tempo clean. I have my position 1. And then I have one more to add. It is position 2, just off the knees, or just above the knees, rather. Position 2 is just above the knees. So I'm going to come down to add custom component. I actually have, I'm going to type in knees. I actually have that pop just above the knee. I remember we did it before in a different cycle. It's 5x1. And my rep scheme is going to be 5x1. And I'm going to save. So anytime we do this movement for the next 10 billion years, I mean, if I want to know what I got for each of these movements, it is now separated. So let's reiterate. You have 1 hang power clean. I'm sorry, 1 tempo clean, 1 clean from position 1, and 1 clean from position 2, right? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to come into this metcon that we have, and I'm really just going to delete this. I'm going to take this part, 15 minutes to complete, and I'm actually just going to put it in the top piece. Any comments? Let's just put it in the top one. All comments go in the top one. And then I'm going to take the goal of the workout. Do that. I'm going to save. I'm actually going to put that at the bottom of this. One big box. I know it's long. Now I'm going to save this. And I'm going to delete this because I don't need it anymore. It's just sloppy and unnecessary. Delete. And it's out of there. So that's it, right? I'm going to refresh. Tempo clean, 5-second pull. All the notes kind of fit under the first one, and there we go. So if I come into coach board, I'm going to refresh. Yep. So I actually don't like that. It should be at the bottom piece, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to come back into this thing, and I'm actually going to take this, and I would like it at the bottom. Highlight. So be autonomous here. Don't, oh, I remember when Bill put it at the top. No, we're going to edit it. Delete this out, and I'm going to put it hang clean above the knee, and we're going to put the comment at the bottom of this one so all the coaches know. 15 minutes to complete all of those movements, and we're going to save it, and that is it. I'm going to refresh, make sure it's saved in there the way I like it, and obviously that's going to spit right into this, and there we go. This is what I'm talking about. This looks good. When I come into Savoy Fitness, my tempo power clean 5x1, I did 175, right? I'm going to save. Hang power clean, 175. I'm going to save. Wait for the second one, it's 175. I'm going to save. If I ever want to do those at any given point, it's all saved periodically. That is what I want. You can indicate the different pieces by the red. That is how you do it. Thank you, and you have an amazing day.